climb inside the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.